Hi everyone, so here is another great radio from late 90s, early 2000s. It's Panasonic RDP855. This is CD player after a full service, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth. I will show you in a minute. What is special about this radio? Its color. It's wooden color, so it perfectly fits the dashboard, which has some kind of wood in it. So yeah, let's test it out. Okay, radio works perfect. Let's try the CD. Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect. Sounds really good. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go to AUX. Okay, we did eliminate the AUX because it's outdated. So let's press the mode button and hold it for a second. Yeah, you see now AUX, which means that the Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth. Here it is. Simply wait a couple seconds. Bluetooth is now connected. All we have to do is go to our any music you have on your phone and simply play it. How cool is that, huh? Radio this old with the Bluetooth. Let's try another song. Ads as usual. Give me a couple seconds. Yeah. So basically that's it. When you want to back to your regular radio or FM mode, simply press the band button once. Sorry, this one. And you're back to regular radio. Thumbs up. As usual, forgot to mention that this radio is for sale. So if anyone is interested, simply visit our website or email me. Yeah, now I'm done.